In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to the Barclays Bank app. Whether you're a seasoned app user or just getting started with mobile banking, this guide will walk you through each step to ensure you can access your account securely and conveniently. First off, you'll need to have the Barclays Bank app on your smartphone. To do this, head over to your App Store. If you're using an Android device, open the Google Play Store. For those with an iPhone, you'll find it on the Apple App Store. Once you're in the App Store, simply search for Barclays. Make sure to select and install the official Barclays app, ensuring that you're downloading the correct application designed specifically for secure banking. Once the app is successfully installed, it's time to open it. Locate the Barclays app icon on your phone's home screen and give it a tap. As the app opens, you'll see a prompt to log in, so go ahead and choose the login option. This will take you to the screen where you can enter your login details. Now, there are a couple of ways you can log into your Barclays app, depending on what you've set up previously. If you've set up a passcode for quick access, you'll need to enter your unique 5-digit passcode. This is a straightforward and commonly used method. However, if you prefer not to remember another code, Barclays also offers biometric login options. If you've previously set up fingerprint or Face ID on your device, you can use one of these methods to log in. Simply follow the on-screen instructions to authenticate using your fingerprint or facial recognition, offering you a secure and hassle-free login experience. And that's it. Once you've entered your credentials or used biometrics to log in, you'll have full access to manage your Barclays accounts right from your phone. From checking your balance to making transactions, the app provides a world of banking convenience at your fingertips. If this is the first time you're setting up the app, remember to keep your login credentials safe and to use a secure network when accessing banking apps. This will help ensure that your account remains secure. And there you have it, a simple and effective way to access your Barclays account from the convenience of your mobile device. Keep in mind, if you're ever having trouble logging in, Barclays provides support through their website and customer service. Thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe for more tips and guides on making the most out of your banking apps.